Pag-usapan natin today si CIMB dahil meron siyang loan product na kung meron ka nito, di mo na most likely kailangan yung OLA. And because CIMB operates under a commercial banking license issued by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP, legit siya. Meron siyang pa-cash loan na mababa yung interest and monthly yung payment. So it's kind of like yung klase na most of us look for sa mga pautangan, no? Kung interesado kayo sa mga ganitong topic, feel free to watch till the end. Hi guys, Ate Red here. In this channel, we talk about digital loans, fintech products, and services, and general financial literacy topics. So ngayon, yung spotlight natin ay sa kay CIMB-PH. Dahil may loan service siya na if meron ka nito, I am positive na kakalimutan mo na yung OLA. Unless wala kang control, pwede rin magamit as a strategy para goodbye na sa mga patingin-tinging utang na sobrang taas ng interest. Anong meron sa CIMB na to? Meron siyang tinatawag na term loan, which is a feature ni ReviCredit, which is a feature ni CIMB. Huwag niyong hanapin si ReviCredit sa Google Play or App Store ha. Yung hanapin niyo ay si CIMB-PH. Download CIMB-PH, create an account, open a savings account with one valid ID, and apply for ReviCredit in the Loans tab. Ano maging eligible? Ano yung kailangan para magkaroon ka? Well, balikan natin yan mamaya ha. By the way, and one last thing ha, this video is not sponsored. Nagbibigay lang ako ng expectation sa mga iba't ibang online loan products. Sharing is caring. Recently, naka-withdraw ako ng 15,000 pesos and na-receive ko siya. Take note, buo, walang kaltas. Sa GSave ko, walang fee, walang kaltas. Diyan pa lang, lamang na siya sa OLA. Yung amount na pwede mong i-term loan will depend on your available limits sa ReviCredit. Pwede mo siyang i-take yung minimum offer niya or pwede mong i-maximum depende sa needs nyo. Then choose the number of months you wish to pay for the loan. Minimum of 6 months, maximum of 18 months. Sa bottom, magkaka-idea ka na kung magkano yung monthly payment mo based sa indicative na interest rate. Pero subject to final assessment pa yan ha, just a heads up. If okay sa'yo ang numbers, i-click mo na yung continue or change the loan amount and tenure if kailangan. So sa next page, you will be asked where ipapadala yung pera na uutangin. Wala siyang fee pag pinadala sa GSave or other CIMB accounts mo. Well, it doesn't look like na pwede mong ilagay GCash or other e-wallets or bank account during the application process. So, pag na-receive mo, halimbawa sa GSave, kamo na siya matatransfer sa ibang account na prefer mo. Then, papareview niyo sa iyo yung offer. The effective interest rate here is 36%, pero i-divide mo yan by 12 to get the monthly rate. And the monthly rate is 3%. Now you see, better siya sa OLA. Pero if you think na mataas pa rin yung 3%, then try mong mag-personal loan sa banks or cash loan products na tied up sa credit card mo if may credit card ka. Anyways, accept the terms and conditions, and click continue. Magpipin ka, and seconds lang, nare-receive mo na yung funds. Makikita mo rin sa app ang schedule ng fees. Ang bilis niya mag-update. Ang due date mo sa term loan ay kasama na sa due date ng ReviCredit mo. Ang ReviCredit may fee na follow na billing cycle at may fixed po siyang due date. Although, pwede kang mag-minimum payment, pero mas advisable po na mag-pay in full or at least 2 or 3 times more than the minimum amount. Kasi ano ba yung natitira na aabutan ng next cut-off ay magkakaroon ng interest or finance charge. Pwede mo i-term loan ay nakabase sa available credit limit mo. Term loan amount ranges from 10,000 pesos to 70% of your available ReviCredit limit. And CIMB offers up to 250,000 pesos na ReviCredit limit. So, halimbawa, may 50,000 pesos ka, assuming wala kang other transactions, pwede ka mag-term loan from 10,000 pesos up to 35,000 pesos. Therefore, para magka-term loan, kailangan meron kang ReviCredit. Karaniwan sa mga GCash users ay may GCredit at nakakatanggap ng invite to activate ReviCredit without additional requirements. Ito yung mga clients na may pre-approval. Magpapadala siya ng instructions na simple lang naman sundin. If bet mo, pwede mo i-check yung dati kong video, yung naka-receive tayo ng invite na i-activate ko yung ReviCredit ko. And when I activated it, I got 30,000 pesos na credit limit to start with. At ngayon, nasa 100,000 na siya. Kung wala kang notif na ganyan, so need mo magka-CIMB account first. go to the Ready Credit tab and then apply when available. Siguraduhin lang po na pasok po tayo sa product eligibility criteria. Available siya for existing CIMB Bank customers only. Ready Credit is offered to pre-selected CIMB customers. The applicant must be at least 21 years old and must not be older than 65 years old upon maturity. Applicant must be a Philippine citizen and a non-US person. At mas maganda na dito ka nakatira sa Pilipinas at the time of application. And the applicant must have a Philippine mailing address and active mobile number. And applicant must have a minimum gross monthly income of 10,000 pesos. Income documents may be required for validation purposes. Kung walang offer, try to use GCredit, GCash, or other CIMB products often. Save or bills payment, load, etc. para magka-digital footprint ka sa app na to. If may good credit history ka, most likely magkaka-offer ka din eventually. Pero kung wala ka pa rin, check mo yung playlist na to for legit loan platforms na maaari mo itry kung need umutang. At pag umutang ka sa bank, meron tayong konting tip ha. So listen to this inserted clip. Kung gusto mo ma-approve sa car loan, personal loan, home loan, or business loan, pang upgrade, pang negosyo, you need to do this now.
Dimlet in a minute.
So this is for freelancers and mga nagwo-work from home or may mga small business na sa bahay ginagawa. Sa bangko kasi mas maganda yung terms nila. They can offer terms na hindi mo offer ng mga online loan platforms. That very intimidating requirement is yung proof of income. You may be earning 5 or 6 figures a month, pero wala kang proof of income. Decline. File your taxes para may ITR. Register your business and you can do this online. Para may DTI ka, may proof ka na may negosyo ka. I've been working from home for 10 years now. Twice na ako na-approve sa car loan and just recently sa home loan. Ano yung palaging hinahanap? ITR, DTI, and mas maganda if you've been paying your taxes for at least 3 years. You probably don't need the loan now, pero the sooner you get your documents in a row, the better. Para the moment na ready ka nang mag-apply ng loan, meron ka nang mapapakitang documents.
Dimlet in a minute.
And there you go. Tandaan, utang responsibly po ha. And that's all for today. See you next time. Kung meron akong nakalimutan banggitin, comment nyo lang below and we'll try to touch upon it on the next video.